Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, February 21st, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Teachers, announcements for today. Please make sure you post your attendance and make sure you're posting to Power School. Late duty for today is Miss Stowe. For tomorrow is Miss Bertolino. Thursday is Miss Bolton. Thursday is Miss Arch, and Friday is Miss Guidry. Important dates. Today we will have a faculty meeting right after school. We will be discussing a few things about ACAP and a few other assorted items. Friday, February 25th, students may wear jeans and school-appropriate Mardi Gras colored t-shirt for a $2 donation to the United Way campaign. Also, next week, February 28th through March 2nd, there is no school for Mardi Gras break. Important February dates. February is our African American History Month, and we are highlighting that all month long. February 21st through 25th, which is this week, is Public Schools Week. And February 23rd, we are celebrating our bus drivers with School Bus Driver Appreciation Day. So, like we mentioned already, we have been highlighting Black History Month the entire month of February. We've had some fantastic 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders that have written some things about some famous Black Americans and have been sharing those pieces with us and sharing with all our students over the morning announcements. So today, with us, we have some information about Madam C.J. Walker. It is written and read by Ayanna Thomas from Miss Everett's class. So, take it away, Ayanna.
Madam C.J. Walker is so inspiring to African American women. She is the first African American woman to be a self-made millionaire. Her parents were born into slavery. Her sister Sarah was the first one to be born free. She was orphaned at 6, married at 14, and had her daughter Aaliyah. But even with all that going on, she never gave up. She began selling hair products for Black ladies, and soon she had enough money to open her own shop and created the hot comb, Anything is Possible.
Excellent work, Ayanna. Thank you for sharing with us about Madam C.J. Walker. Next up, we have our iReady Stars of the Week, the top class with the highest percent of students with 30 minutes or more engaged time. In K1, we have Miss Duberg's class with 96%. In 2nd and 3rd, we have a tie. Getting very competitive down there in 2nd grade. So Miss Granger and Miss Curd both tied with 100% completion and 86% average lessons passed. Woo! That is some tough competition right there. Good job, guys. And in 4th and 5th grade, we have Miss Moore's class with 100% completion and a 93% average. Ooh, kiss your brain, Miss Moore's class. I know all of our classes are working super hard to get their time in and to up that average. So awesome job. Now our top students with the most lessons passed. In kindergarten and first this week, we have Malik Haifa with 11 lessons. We have Louis Nasher with 12 lessons. And in 4th, 5th, we have Cedric Sewell with 7 lessons. Okay, ladies, those are all 3 boys as our top students. We can't let the boys win like that. All 3 spots. Girls, I challenge you next week. See if you can't make it into that top spot. All right, ladies? Okay, let's see what you can do. Awesome job to all of our students for their hard work on iReady. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd.